Are there different types of lilting? Are there different types of lilting? Absolutely. Lilting is a fascinating aspect of Irish culture and music, and it comes in various forms. Let's take a closer look at what makes each type unique. Lilting is a traditional style of singing found not only in Ireland but also in Scotland and the Isle of Man. It often involves using nonsensical syllables, sometimes referred to as mouth music. This technique allows singers to imitate the sounds of traditional instruments, especially when playing dance tunes. In Scotland, lilting is also known as diddling or port-a-bugle. One of the main ways lilting differs is through the syllables used. Singers often opt for three-syllable nonsense phrases that mimic the rhythm and melody of Irish music. These syllables are not random. They follow specific patterns that reflected the musical style of the region. For instance, you might hear phrases like diddly-diddly-dum, which capture the lively essence of the tunes. The purpose of lilting also influences its style. In rural Ireland, lilting was a practical way to provide music for dancing when instruments were not available. This means that lilting can vary based on whether it is performed solo, in harmony, or as part of a group. It can serve as dance accompaniment or simply as a form of vocal entertainment. Regional differences play a significant role in shaping lilting styles. Irish lilting typically mirrors the rhythms and melodies of traditional Irish dance music. On the other hand, Scottish lilting, or port-a-bugle, has its own characteristics and is often linked to specific cultural practices, such as waulking songs. These songs were traditionally sung while fulling cloth, adding another layer to the lilting tradition. In contemporary times, some performers have taken lilting to new heights, incorporating harmonies and complex rhythms. This shows that lilting can also be a formalized art form, moving beyond its traditional roots. For travelers in Ireland, experiencing different types of lilting can provide a unique glimpse into local traditions and musical styles. Hearing lilting live in a pub or at a cultural event allows you to connect with Irish heritage in a lively and engaging way. It showcases the human voice as an instrument that can carry the vibrant spirit of Irish dance music, even without physical instruments. So, next time you find yourself in Ireland, keep an ear out for the enchanting sounds of lilting.